Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk to on how people in M Global are getting scammed, or how people who want to join, or the people who had that intention of joining M Global at some point got scammed, and I need you to know how this scamming is done and also how to avoid it. So if you want to know more information about M Global in terms of scamming, stay around as I'm going to highlight on how people are getting scammed and actually how you can avoid getting into this type of people. The first scamming is done whereby, maybe let's say for example, you have watched or you have seen the presentation of M Global and you have an interest, you have a genuine interest of joining this company. But there's something that I want you to know. Here, mostly in Kenya, I'm talking about in Kenya because mostly this is done in Kenya. The members of Alliance or the members of M Global have their personal banking account which has been linked with the M Global. But you want to make your deposit or you want to send your money to Alliance. One thing that the person does is they give you their personal banking account number. Like for example, me, I decide to give you my Stanbic account number. You deposit your money into my personal banking account number. Now, at this point, you haven't sent your money to M Global account number. You have sent your money to my personal banking account number, which is very different because I'm the one to decide on what to do with the money because it is on my end. What you are supposed to do is let this person who has shown you this opportunity or who has shown you this business give you the account number of Alliance in Motion Global. And how do you know that? Now, here in Kenya, if you are making a deposit to a number or as a given account number, it actually brings you the full name or the details of that bank account. So you have to see that you are sending 20,000, 50,000, or given amount of money that you are sending it to Alliance in Motion Global Limited. You're not sending it to Stanbic Bank, you're not sending it to EcoBank. So if you send it to Alliance in Motion Global account number, at least in case of something fishy, you have at a point where you can start and follow up on your money. But if you send that money to my personal banking account, it is very easy for me to say you are sending me money for something else, not joining M Global. So that is how people are getting scammed. Someone sees the business, someone understands, and they have genuine interest to join, but the person presenting to them is the one actually the scammer. Because remember, in M Global within it, there are scammers within the company. So you have to get or to know the account number. And if you are not sure with the account number, you can actually check it on the internet, Google it. Alliance has offices in Nairobi and also in Eldoret. Check out the account number of Alliance in Motion in Nairobi. Check out the account number of M Global in Eldoret. And that is where you are supposed to deposit your money. And don't send it to a personal account number of either Stanbic Bank or EcoBank. Second scamming is on overpromising results. Now, you might be watching a video or someone might be showing a presentation and you are seeing people who are living a good lifestyle, people who are having meals at high-end restaurants, or someone who is driving, or someone who has bought a very posh house, and you get convinced that even you, if we join this opportunity, you are actually going to have the same results. Now, in other words, it might be true, yes, that person has bought a car, that person has bought that house, those people are eating in high-end restaurant. But I want you to understand that before that person got to that point of driving or enjoying that meal in high-end restaurants, there was a massive commitment, massive hard work, and massive results that came thereafter. It is not something that you are joining today and tomorrow you're going to have the keys of your dream car. That is a total lie. There is no one whom I've ever interacted with in M Global who joined the business today or this week and tomorrow or next week they're driving or they're having massive results. No. Everyone who is successful in network marketing, at some point they had to see the business, they had to decide to work, and actually that is when the results came in. So let no one lie to you or tell you that if you join this business today, then tomorrow you're going to be doing this, you're going to be buying this, or you're going to believe this lifestyle. Give it time and get to know that network marketing actually needs you to work for you to get that massive results. Another scamming is on when you are watching the presentation of alliance. Remember, you are going to watch it from someone that you either you know or you have either met on either social media, and this person asks you that if you join this business, I'm going to support you, I'm going to train you, I'm going to show you how this business is done, and you get convinced that if this person is actually going to be meaningful to what he's saying, then I'm going to succeed. But immediately you join, you notice that the attention of this person to you reduces. They're no longer answering your phone calls. They're no longer answering your questions on time. They're not giving you that promising they actually talked about. And you get to ask yourself, was this person actually real with themselves on when they were presenting this business to me? And that is what actually makes most people to quit, because the person is no longer helping you. And remember, when you're a new person, you need to understand on how this business is done. How do you respond to questions? Like someone can ask you, is this business a scam? Is this business a pyramid scheme? Is this a Ponzi scheme? So if this person is not helping you to answer such questions, or this person is not helping you on how to present, how do you talk to your friends, how do you talk to people around you, or how do you respond to a certain question, if this person is not going to help you, then actually you are going to quit, because you are not in a position to help yourself. You have not this information, you have not the right words to use. But before you join, ask this person, how are you going to support me in this business? How are you going to help me succeed the same way you have succeeded in this business? If they answer you those questions and they actually mean them, then you have an opportunity or a chance to succeed in any given network marketing, not only in global, but any given network marketing company. Fourth scamming is on presentation, or someone is presenting to you a very wrong presentation that was not made by the company. Now, what do I mean by this? You find that this person is giving you a presentation that is telling you a certain result that you are going to be achieving, or you'll be making this given amount of money every single day. Now, potentially it is possible to make certain amount of money when you join M Global on every given day. At the same time, it is not possible for you to make that kind of money. One thing I want you to understand is this person who is telling you that you are going to be making this money starting tomorrow, immediately you join. Look at the person, ask them, for how long have you been in the business? For how long have you done this business? Or how long did it take you to start making this amount of money? If they are going to answer that question genuinely, then if you understand very well how any kind of business works, you are going to notice that it is possible for me to make this money every single day, every single week, or every single month. At the same time, it is not potentially possible for me to make this amount of money. Because remember, when you join M Global, you have to introduce this business to other people, and there is time for them to join. They have to understand, you have to do the business, you have to present, you have to actually follow the steps. So before you get that massive earnings or massive steps of success, you must do massive hard work, must do massive commitment. You must take a decision that this business must work and must be done. It is not just that you are going to join the business and tomorrow you are going to start making that amount of money that you are being told to. No. Get to understand that this is a business and you have to give it time, and the good news is it is worth it if you actually decide to work. As I'm finishing up, let me know in the comment section something that you have heard about M Global, or any scamming you've heard when it comes to network marketing, and I'll be able to respond to it through another video. But personally, my support is guaranteed. I don't make this video for fun, but actually highlight you on what is happening. So you need to understand that how is this person going to support me, and how is this person going to train and coach me to succeed in this kind of business. So if you want to join M Global, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description section down below. Contact me, ask me all the questions you want to know, everything that you need to understand before you actually make that payment of or that decision of joining M Global. But if you have found something informative, something that you didn't know before, give this video a like, subscribe, because I do more videos about network marketing and on how they work. But thank you for watching. I'm waiting at the other side as we get started in M Global.